Good morning children. As you know that we are discussing about playing with numbers. In that, now today we are going to discuss about exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2 first main. Exercise 1.2 first main, you can see that in the following find the digits represented by the letters. In the problem they have given some number letters. We have to find out the value of that letters. In that first problem is 3 plus b is equals to 7. For 3, some number if you add means you are going to get how much? 7. Then we have to find the value of b. How we are going to find the value of b? We are going to find the value of b by substituting the numbers. See, you can see that first I will substitute b is equals to 0. It means to say that in the place of b I am going to substitute what? 0. You can see here. In the place b I substituted 0. What you are going to get? Sum 3. Okay. Now we have to compare both the sums. You can see that here 7 is there, here 3 is there. Is it equal? No, it is not equal. So next we will move on to b is equals to 1. Now if you substitute b is equals to 1, what you are going to get? You can see here in the place of b if you take 1 means again you are going to get sum how much? 4. Now compare both the sums. What here have? Here 7 is there, here 4 is there. Is it equal? No. Is it not equal? Next we will take b is equals to 2. We will take the value of b is equals to 2 and we have to substitute in the value of b. See, you can see that 3 plus 2. How much you are going to get? 5. Now again you have to do comparison here. How much is there? 5 is there. Here 7 is there. Is it equal? No. Is it not equal? Next we will take b is equals to 3. Now you can see that in the place of b if you take 3 means what you are going to get? Sum you are going to get 6. Again compare both the sums. Is it equal? No. Is it not equal? Next we move on to b is equals to 4. Now you can see that in the place b if I take 4 means after adding what I am going to get? Sum 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. Now you can see that here 7 is there and in the sum also here 7 is there. So both the numbers is matching and it both are equal. Then we can conclude that the value of b is equals to 4. We have to find the value of these letters by taking the values and by substituting the values in the equation. Next problem you can see that that is 16 plus 2a is equals to b1. The question is 16 2a is equals to b1. Now first thing, whenever we are adding from ones place onwards. So first ones place onwards we have to add. So first we have to find out the value of a. Now in the CMA, the previous problem what I did, in the CMA I am going to find the value of a. You can see that first I am going to consider a is equals to 0. A is equals to 0. What happening if you substitute in the place of a 0 means I am going to get the sum is 6. You can see that here 6 is there, but in this unit place how much is there? 1 is there. It will match? No, it will not match. So we move on to a is equals to 1. So you can see that if I consider a is equals to 1 means 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is how much? 7. You can see that here 7 we got answer and here how much is there? 1 is there. The both are not equal. So it is not possible. Next you can see that if you take a is equals to 2. What I am going to get? The sum 8. I am going to get the 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. Is it equal? No. Is it not equal? Next we move on to a is equals to 3. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is how much? 9. 9 I am going to get but in this one's place how much is there? 1 is there. Again it is not equal. Next we move on to a is equals to 4. A is equals to 4. You can see that if you add 4, what I am going to get? 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. Again you can see that here in the ones place 0 is there, but in the here 1 is there. Is it equal? No, is it not equal? Next you can see here if I take a is equals to 5. A is equals to 5. What I am going to get? 6 plus 5 is equals to 11. 6 plus 5 is equals to 11. You can see that in this ones place 1 is there. Even in the problem also you can see that in the ones place 1 is there. So the answer is matches. So we can conclude that we can take a as a 5 and we can substitute that a value in the problem and we can find out the value of b. If I substitute a is equals to 5, if I substitute the a value in the problem, what I am going to get is, you can see here 6 plus 5. In the a place I substituted how much? 5. What I am going to get? 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 in the 11 1 I am going to write here and 1 I am going to give as a carry. So now if you add means how much you are going to get? 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. In the place of b, how much value you got? In the place of b you can see that we are going to get 4. Then therefore a is equals to 5, b is equals to 4. I hope you understood this problem, children. Next we will move on to next problem. That is, you can see here third problem. 2a into a is equal to 1 2a. 1 2a. 2a multiplied by a means what we are going to get? Product 1 2a. Here in the multiplicand also a is there, in the multiplier also a is there, even in the product also a is there. It means so that what? A is only one value. We have to find that value. You can see here. Same way I am going to substitute. See, if a is equals to 0, first I will consider a is equals to 0. What I am going to get? A is equals to 0. So you can see that in the place of a 0, if I substitute means 20 into 0. How much? We know that with 0 any number multiplied means we are going to get what? 0. So 20 into 0 is equals to how much? 0. Next, if I substitute a is equals to 1. 21 into 1 is equals to 21 ones are 21. Now we have to compare the answers. Now you can see that here we need 3-digit number. But here we are going to get what? 1 digit. Now you can see here 2-digit number we are going to get, but we need how many digit number? 3-digit number. Now next I will take what? A is equals to 2. 22 into 2. Now if I multiply 22 into 2 means how much you are going to get? 44. You can compare again. Here 2-digit number is there, here also 2 digit. 3 digit is there. Is it equal? No. Is it not equal? Next we move on to a is equals to 3. If a is equals to 3 is equal means 23 into 3 by 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. How much you are going to get? 69. Is it equal? Both are not equal. So next you will take the value of a is equals to 4. 24 into 4. How much you are going to get? 4 4s are 16. Carry 1. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 96. 96 and 1 to a is equal. No, is it not equal? Next we will move on to what? A is equals to 5. You can see that 25 into 5. 5 5s are 25. Carry 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 12. Now you can see that A. Here in the place of answer you can see that A. The 3 number also equal, and you can compare here tens place. Tens place, both the tens place are equal, and you can compare hundreds place. In the 100 place also equal. Then we can conclude that the value of A is equals to 5. We have to compare properly, and at last we have to conclude that the value of A is how much? 5. Next, fourth problem. You can see here fourth problem. They have given 1AA plus 1AA is equals to 2AA. 1AA plus 1AA is equals to 2AA. First, I am going to consider value of A is equals to 0. You can see that in the place A, if you substitute 0 means what I am going to get to 1 0 0 plus 1 0 0 0 plus 0 0 0 plus 0 0 1 plus 1 2. Therefore, here only we got answer. You can see that the value of A becomes what? 0. Therefore, the value of A is equals to 0. Next, fifth problem. Then you can see here 1A into 1A product. What you are going to get? 1BA. 1BA. Now in the same way we are going to substitute the values and we are going to find the product and we are going to compare the product. See, if A is equals to 0, if A is equals to 0, then what happening? 10 into 10. 10 into 10 is nothing but 100. 100. Now you can see that in the place here A is there, here also 0 0 0 is there. It will both also in the all A place we got 0, then it becomes equal. Next, in the place of B 0. Next, one more value you can find out. See, if A is equals to 1, if A is equals to 1, what I am going to get? 11 into 11. See, here also you can see that A. The place of A is 1 1 1. Then in the place B, what we are going to get to 2 and at last 1. So in this problem we are going to get to 2 values. That is, we can take A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0 is one value, and another value is A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2. Both the values we can take and we can substitute means the equation is going to match. Next is sixth problem. Sixth problem you can see here 3a into a. 3a into a. What we are going to get the product? 2ba. 2ba. Same way I am going to take first the value of a is equals to 0. If a is equals to 0, 30 into 0. What I am going to get? 0. Whenever if you multiply any number with 0 means we are going to get the product how much? 0. Now next, if a is equals to 1. If I take a is equals to 1, what happening? 31 into 1. 31 into 1. If you multiply 31 into 1, 31s are 31. 31s are 31. In the same way, if a is equals to 2, if I take a is equals to 2, 32 into 2. 32 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. How much we are going to get? 64. You can compare. In the unit place a is there, in the tens place b is there, and in the hundred place 2 is there. We need here 3 digit number, but here we got how many digit number? 2 digit number, so it will not match. Next we will go to if a is equals to 3. If a is equals to 3, 33 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Again we got how many digit number? 2 digit number, but here how many digit number are? 3 digit number. The same way next we will go for a is equals to 4. 34 into 4. 4 4s are 16, carry 1. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13. Now you can see that here 3 digit number have, but we have to compare the places. See, in the A place 6 is there, in the B place 3 is there, here in the 100 place 2 is there, but here 1 is there. So both are not equal. So we have to take the next number. See, if a is equals to 5, next if I take a is equal to 5, what happening? 35 into 5. How much we are going to get product? 175. 175. Again we have to compare. Here in the place of A, 5 is there. In the place of B, 7 is there. In the place of 100 place, 2 is there. Here 1 is there. So again it will not match. Next, so we cannot take this as an A and B value. Next we will go through what? If A is equals to 6, 36 into 6. You can see that 36 into 6. How much you are going to get a product? 216. 6 6 are 36, carry 3. 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 3, 21. How much? 216. Now we have to compare A value 6, B value 1, here 100 plus 2. So both the answer will come equal. Then you can conclude that the value of A is equals to 6 and the value of B is equals to 1. The value of A is equals to 6, the value of B is equals to 1. I hope you understood this, children. If you have any doubt, you can ask through WhatsApp. And based on these problems, I am going to send still more problems you have to solve and you have to post. Thank you.